Hi YouTube, I'm just letting you know this is my 2011 DK Silken bicycle. I bought it for about $300 on internet on DK bicycles. I'm just glad I got it. I'm very glad. I'm gonna start off with the handle grips. We have a DK handle grips, and we have a DK handle slap. I don't really know what they're called, but they hold the grips in. My brake set, I actually am getting a new one, so I really can't show you those. Here is my DK bicycle handlebars. I'm very glad with these handlebars. They're nice. Here's my Kenda tires with red line, purple black rims. And this is my DK frame. This is my DK frame. I put a couple of stickers on, like Hero, and then I put this on, and Hero on the other side. But here's my DK Silken. I have a 25 tooth rear sprocket with a 2-piece crank on each side, with white Stolen pedals, and my sprocket is by Stolen too. Here are my big bolt back rims with Kenda, same thing as the front. And this is my Haro cartridge right there. And yeah, so this is my bike check. Everything looks okay. With my DK seat, it's nice too. Here, I'll show it to you right now. There's my DK seat. It's very nice. And I'm gonna show you how I ride it. I'm gonna show you how I ride it. Keep it right there. I'll come out there. Stop. Okay. Well, here is my bike check. I hope you enjoy it. Okay? I hope you liked it. Thank you. DK Bicycles. Hope you'd enjoy the video, YouTube.